Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AWS Secrets Manager secrets without breaking services, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Services tab. Select Secrets Manager from the drop-down menu. Locate the secret you want to update. Click on the secret to open its details page. Review the existing configurations and permissions. Make sure to note any current usage of the secret in your applications. Click on the Edit button to modify the secret. Update the secret value in the designated field. Consider using the built-in rotation features for added security. If applicable, enable automatic rotation to ensure best practices. Confirm the changes you made by clicking the Save button. Next, check any services or applications relying on this secret. Update the secret references in these services or applications if necessary. Test the applications to ensure they access the new secret seamlessly. Monitor the services for any unexpected behavior or errors. If issues arise, revert to the previous secret version immediately. Finally, document the changes made for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.